Hello, welcome back to the stream, guys. For those of you who are watching, this is my request to each and every one of you. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So here we have the PMJL JOWAI League Season 5 Round 1 of Group C. This is the first match of the day in Miramar. Let's take a look at all the squads. We have Thunder Beast, we have Team RSF MG18, MG18, NSG ESPORT, OUTCASTER, KHASI Royals, Family Friends, SYIEM Warriors, Team Flanker, IGI, 4PM, STARLIT ESPORT, Steady Shot Officials, Overpowered Officials, 47 X Agent, Girls Throne, and RAYTHEON. So we have the plane is going directly from the northern part of Miramar. Here is shifting to the southwestern part, but we already have some squads gonna take the northern part, the left side there, and 2 squads gonna move to right side of this Miramar. And it seems like we are going to see so many squads gonna take the right side of this plane position. Hello, Crush Goku. Crush Sun. What the fish, man? What the fish? Lah, guys. To support me, Son Goku fan page, me, Son Goku, Mia Khalifa, Jonison, wow, Matami. Crush Son Goku. Okay, let's focus on the match. We have Gaitan. Aga nakakonsentrate siya sugar. Okay, we have team number 5 here from which squad is it? Team number 5 is MG18. We have MG18 here gonna be in a fight with team number 3. Team number 3 here with a 4-man squad with team number 5 here. One player is still in the parachute and he's on his way to jump in his location. We have team number 3 as well from Thunder Beast. Let's take a look at Thunder Beast here. 4-man squad. They are trying to get enough loot. Maybe they are gonna wait for those people from team number 5, and they are gonna take the shots if they have the chance. Let's take a look at this part here. Central part of Miramar, we have team number 14 and team number 7. What happened to team number 7 here? Single player, Outcaster, Fakui, the lone player from team Outcaster. So he's gonna struggle to survive until the very last end of this match. So we have team number 20 here as well. 2 players inside this vehicle. No, look at that. JOWAI squad managed to knock out 1 player from team number 9, and we have there the first kill from team JOWAI. Team number 20 JOWAI. There's no slot from team number 20. What happened? Okay, we have 1 kill there from team JOWAI, and we have 1 guy's been taken down from team number 9. Team number 9 is Family Friends. Family Friends here. Now they have only 3 players remaining. And look at that, another player as well has been taken down, the lone player there. And that player is from which squad was it? From Outcaster, right? From team number 7. Yes, he is from team number 7, and he's been taken down by team number 14. Steady Shot or STARLIT Esports. Team number 14, already 1 kill for this squad. So now players going down to 66 from 68. Now it's going down to 66. Let's take a look at team number 5 again. Oh भाई साहब agora shna tomar account. Oh la shi klai tomar ki bro. Okay, we have let's take a look at this part here. We have team number 4 and team number 11. They are getting closer. Team FFL Sean, he's getting closer with those players from team number 4. Shots being fired from behind him from team number 4. Now he's got a good hiding spot here behind this wall, and he's gonna take his chance to take these shots with that M7 which M249. Yes, M249. He got M249 with him, and he managed to take some damage against team number 4 here. M4 squad. Team number 4 is RSF, right? Team RSF from team number 4. So we have team number 11 just barely managed to survive in that fight with team number 4. So let's jump with the central part of the map here. We have team number 15 and team number 3. Team number 15 and team number 6. It seems team number 6, they are in a fight with team number 15, SSO and NSG. They are gonna fall back, and we have team number 15 here, steady shot officials. They are gonna hold their positions inside this warehouse, and they are not gonna chase those players from NSG squad. We have a total of 66 players still and a total of 17 squads remaining. And let's take a look here. We are going to see a fight from team number 12. Jonathan 1 from team number 12. Sorry, bhai sahab. Mavi from IGI squad from team number 12. Will he be able to survive in this fight? One player here from team IGI. No face. All he trying to move forward. Will he be able to get a knockout? Managed to take some damage. There's a knockout from Jonathan 1. Managed to get a knockout. And let's take a look with the players from team number 11. Will he be able to go for the 5? It seems like those players are pretty far away from their own teammates. They are trying to hold their position against team number 4. They are not going to be able to take that revive for their own teammates because he's pretty far away from his own team. So it's gonna be a confirmation coming in from team number 12 against that player from team number 11 who's being knocked out. So let's take a look from team number 20. He's team JOWAI here, pretty far away from team number, which team is it? From team number 9. Team number 9 is right here in this position inside those warehouse, and they are still trying to hold their position. Let's take a look at team number 9 with only 3 players remaining. They are gonna shift to the other spot. They are not gonna stick to one spot, and we have one player is right here, and the other 2 players are right behind him. So let's take a look at team number 12. Are they gonna go for that confirmation? It seems like they are gonna wait for his teammates. Yes, there's a revive coming in from team number 11. There's a revive already happening, and now we have team number 11 back in their own feet with 4 players remaining. Now it's still 66 players. What a lucky revive coming in from team number 11, team flanker. And now team number 12, what are they gonna do? Are they gonna go for the push against team number 11? It seems like team number 11 here, they're gonna fall back from their own positions. They are gonna assemble with the other remaining players. The zone is shifting to the southern part of the map. We have 2 squads in Los Leones. Okay, I'm gonna take my time to watch these live chat. Outcasters, I don't know. Hello, Crush Sangoku. Hello. Okay, No one is in a fight. Everyone is busy with their loot. It seems like these are the only ones who are closer with each other. SSO, steady shot officials with the other squad there from team number 6. Yes, from team number 6. Let's take a look. It's going to be a push coming in from team number 15 against team number 6 NSG squad. They don't have any time to lose here. NSG squad, they have to get themselves ready to be in a fight with a steady shot official. It's gonna be a cover gonna be taken from the other players there from NSG. There's going to be a push coming in from team number 15. Let's take a look. Will he be able to survive? Shots being fired from NSG squad, and look at that, look at their positions. NSG squad managed to knock out one player there from team number 15. NSG Apollo managed to take down one player from steady shot official. Now with only 3 players remaining, are they gonna go for the push? It seems like NSG trying to go for the push as well. Assembled together 3 players inside this compound, and we have another player, NSG Apollo, gonna come in, or maybe he's gonna take a cover from oh, another knockout coming in from NSG Apollo, and now with only 2 players remaining from team steady shot official. Now they're in very bad spot. It's going to be a very challenging gameplay for steady shot official here. Now NSG squad, they are gonna go for the push. 4 players remaining against 2 players. A motorcycle coming in from NSG Apollo. Now the last 2 remaining players from SSO, they have to hold their position. Are they gonna wait? Look at that, another player is being knocked out by NSG. 97 managed to knock out there. There he is. Oh my god, SSE Shimi managed to get a knockout against one player there from team number 6. NSG Tomato is being knocked out, but sadly the last remaining player from the other team has been taken down and being sent to lobby. And we have NSG squad managed to wipe out whole squad from steady shot officials already with 4 kills, and we have a total of 62 players remaining and a total of 16 squads. And the zone is getting smaller and smaller, and we still have so many squads right outside the play zone. We have team number 7 right in the central part here, and we are going to see a fight between JOWAI, maybe or maybe not, with team number 9. Fakui OP. Fakui OP, yes, from team number 7, Fakui. Ladap name Irangel. This is the first match. This is the first match, and Irangel is going to be in the next match. Okay, second match is going to be in Irangel. Stay tuned. Please stay subscribed, turn on notification, and wait for the next match. Okay, we have team number 10 here going to be in a fight with team number 18. It seems like team number 18, Girls Throne, they are gonna fall back. They are not gonna take the fight with team number 10. Team number 10 is SYIEM Warriors here from team number 10. And look at all those players from Girls Throne. They managed to fall back from this position. And team number 10 as well, they have to get themselves ready and move their way forward into the safe zone. We still have team number 19 still outside the play zone here. They still have a very long way to go, but they are still going to survive because that blue zone is not going to take damage, too much damage right now. So we have team number 7 17 as well with a full man squad still remaining. We have another squad there from team number 14 trying to take some shots against team number 17. So now team number 17, they are gonna move away from their position, I guess. Okay, we have so many players being knocked out. Let's focus on the fight itself. It's a fight happening here or what? Nope. La set rendang, la set rendang. We still have a total of 16 players, 16 squads remaining, and a total of 59 players. Let's take a look who's gonna be in the next fight. It seems like team number 18, they are getting closer and closer with team number 11 and Girls Throne here. They are still trying to get into the central part of the safe zone. They managed to get into the safe zone, and they are gonna hold this building here, and they are being surrounded from everywhere. Team number 9 as well from the right side, and team number 14 right in front of them, and the other squads, remaining squad, team number 20 as well in the right side of team number 18. So now Girls Throne here have to play very wisely, otherwise they are gonna be wiped out by the other squad. So now team number 14, they are gonna go for the push against team number 18. Girls Throne and SLES squad gonna be in a fight. Team number 14 is STARLIT ESPORT. SLES. One player already managed to get already managed to move forward, and the other 3 players remaining right behind him, they are also gonna join the fight, and they are going to be the ones who's gonna be in a fight right now. But we still have so many squads still trying to move into the safe zone. Maybe we are going to see a fight between team number 20 as well, team number 20 and team number 8. Team number 8, they are still trying to assemble together and trying to get their team together to get ready for the fight with Team JOWAI. So let's take a look back at Girls Throne. Girls Throne, maybe we are going to see a fight with team number 14. Team number 14, 2 players in the front and 2 players in the back on top of that hill. They are still trying to take a cover, but look at that fight happening between team number 9 and team JOWAI. Let's take a look at team number 9 and team JOWAI. Will he be able to manage to take down all the players from team number 9? Team number 16 are also right there down below. Team number 20 here still trying to hold a position, not gonna move out of this building. And team number 9 as well still holding their own position, each and every one of them, because each and every squads right here, they are right in the central part of the safe zone, and they are not gonna move until that blue zone comes in, and they are going to shift their position. So we have team number 16 also, they are not in a rush. So we have team number 12 also already managed to get inside that safe zone, but the other squad there from team number 4 still outside the play zone. They are still trying to move into the safe zone as well, and they are on their way, but they have no squads on their way. Maybe they are going to move freely into the safe zone. Four PM is team number 13, right? Team number 13 is 4 PM. Here we have team number 13, 4 PM, and shots being fired from team number 20. They have to look out for team number 16 and team number 20. Let's take a look at 4 PM. We have 3 players been taken down from 4 PM. Look at that, Girls Throne, 1 player is being knocked out. Let's shift to team number 18 here. Will he be able to go for the revive? Girls Throne Zele is being knocked out. They are in a fight with team number 14, SLES, STARLIT Esports. And team number 14, they are gonna get themselves ready to go for the push, it seems. Yes, there's a knockout coming in from Riva there from Girls Throne, and it's going to be another knockout or what? Oh, there's a revive coming in from team number 18, and team number 14 also gonna get themselves busy, gonna go for that revive. And team number 18, team number 14 is going to be 4 players remaining as well again. We still have JOWAI with team number 9 there. Team number 9 is a family friends. Still surviving. Team JOWAI here with 4 players remaining as well. They are not gonna move anywhere still, so we are gonna wait and wait for the fight between these 4 squads. What about the other squad right there? We still have team number 16 as well. Okay, let's wait for the zone. Okay, these guys are still inside the safe zone, so it's going to be 5 squads inside the play zone here. We have team JOWAI. Oh, by sab, team JOWAI. And where's team JOWAI? So we have team number 6 here, NSG squad here. Oh, GT squad also being knocked out again by team number 14. Now team number 14, they are looking OP on the left side, and it seems like team number 18, they are still struggling to go for the revive, and team number 20 as well trying to wait for team number 9. And we have another squad there going to be in a fight, NSG squad with family friends, team number 6, team number 16, team number 9, team number 10, team number 9, team number 20, team number 14, team number 18. So team number 18 already managed to go for the revive, but it's already 2 knockout being taken from team number 18, Gulfstone. So let's take a look at team number 20. They are already managed to move into this compound. Maybe we are going to see a party coming in from team number 20, JOWAI squad. They are gonna go for the push against Gulfstone. And now team number 9 from Family Friends are right far away there on the left side. We have team JOWAI, 2 players on the left and 2 players on the right, and Gulfstone here are in a very bad position. It's going to be a grenade coming in from team JOWAI. No damage has been taken. Let's jump straight ahead back to team number 9 here in a fight with NSG squad. And team number 16 also moving out in the open. NSG squad managed to take that compound, and no one is being knocked out. But team number 9 here, 1 player has been taken down, 3 players still remaining. 59 players still in the match and 16 squads still remaining. So the zone is getting smaller and smaller. We still have so many squads remaining, and we have team JOWAI here still trying to go for the push against Gulfstone here. Team number 14 also is right there on the right side or on the left side, and Gulfstone are in a very bad position. Look at that rotation coming in from team JOWAI. 1 player in the front and 1 player on the left, and 1 player is right here. Team JOWAI OP. Look at all these players from team JOWAI. So we have a fight happening between team number 9 again and NSG squad. Look at NSG Tomato. Will they be able to get another squad wipe? Let's wait and see. They are still trying to assemble with the other teammates there. We have shots being fired from team number 9, but no damage has been taken there from team number 9. They are going to face in a fight with team number 16 as well. Look at that player there. NSG squad. They have lost 1 player. NSG Apollo, the MVP from this squad. Oh, Baisab, he has been taken down. Now they are in a very bad position. It's going to be very challenging gameplay for NSG squad. They have lost NSG Apollo, who is a very good player, who managed to get a knockout against the previous squad from Steady Shot officials. So now let's take a look at
SYIEM. Oh भाई साहब, Katma.
Mano Haka.
Hakar lah itu. Hakar.
Mano Hakar. Mano Hakar bro. The other squads remaining here, we still have team number 4 still remaining. They are gonna move into the safe zone, but they are going to face in a fight with team number 10. They are with team number 11 as well. Team number 11 on top of that hill, and we have team number 10 as well on the left side. They have to watch out for these 2 squads. We still have team number 10. Team number 10 still trying to wait inside this compound for all those squads coming in from team number 4 and team number 11. They decided to fall back into the safe zone, I guess. And we have 1 player there from team number 16 being knocked out, and we still have 3 players remaining. Will they be able to survive? Team number 16, 1 player is being knocked out. It seems like they are not going to be able to go for the revive. NSG squad still remaining. How many players remaining? 3 players remaining. 1 player has been taken down, NSG Apollo. And now we are going to see a very big fight happening. Team number 17 and team number 6 going to be in a fight. He's gonna use that grenade. Will it connect? Let's take a look now. Onwards, we are going to see a big fight from this from these squads inside the play zone. We still have team number 4 still pretty far away from the safe zone. They are still trying to move into the safe zone. We have 1 player there from team number 19 being knocked out, and now team number 5 trying to go for the push against this player who's being knocked out. Is going to be a confirmation there. Team number 19 have just lost 1 player. Now we have team number 19 still trying to hold a position on top of this hill. High ground from team number 19. They decided to fall back. They are not gonna take the fight with team number 5. Team number 5 from MG squad, MG18. So now we have team number 20, JOWAI here with 4 players remaining. They are right in the central part, and they are in between team number 18 and team number 9, or team number 14 and team number 9. So much render. Still, a fight is happening between Team JOWAI and Girls Throne and the other squad there from team number 14. So we have shots being fired there. One player there from team number 19 is being knocked out again, and the last remaining player from team number 19, he's gonna struggle to survive until the very last end of this zone. Let's take a look at this fight happening here. Team number 17 in a very close fight with team number 6. Look at that, team number 6 facing a very big problem there, and team number 17 just managed to take a squad wipe, and team number 17 here, 3 players still remaining and 1 player is being knocked out. They are still gonna go for the revive. There's a revive coming in from team number 17, a total of 3 kills already, and 15 squads remaining, a total of 52 players still in the fight. We have KR unknown by Saab managed to take down player. Let's take a look at KHASI Royals. Which squad is KHASI Royals? Team number 8. Team number 8, yeah, let's take a look at KHASI Royals. We already have 1 kill been taken down by KR unknown. Look at that, Snake Eyes also managed to get a knockout there against team number 16, and team number 16 are gonna get pushed by team number 8, KHASI Royals. Snake Eyes OP by Saab, and now team number 16 are gonna be out in the open. They have to watch out for team number 5 as well. Team number 5 MG18, they are going to face a fight with KHASI Royals, and KHASI Royals have 2 squads here. They have to watch out for. We have team number 16, the last remaining player, still trying to survive. Last 2 remaining players still trying to survive. They are still trying to go for the revive. Team number 12 also gonna go for the oh, by Saab, that's a confirmation coming in from team number 12. He's gonna utilize that smoke grenade. He's gonna try to save himself against team number 12. Team number 12, 4 players still trying to take a shot against team number 16. Team number 16 out in the open, and Jonathan won with another knockout happening there, and team number 16 is going to face in a fight with team number 10 as well. Look at that, they are going to utilize so many smoke grenades there, and team number 12, they're still trying to take a blind shots against team number 16, but 2 players still remaining. They still have a chance, but team number 10 and team number 12, they are right here in this compound. So we have team number 4 also gonna join in the fight. We have JOWAI squad there. Now where's team JOWAI? Where's team JOWAI? Where is team JOWAI? Arey bhai sahab. SLES here, team number 14, they are gonna fall back. They are not gonna take the fight with GT squad. GT squad also still remaining here. Girls Throne and team number 14, they are being spotted by those players from team JOWAI. Team JOWAI already managed to get inside that safe zone. Let's take a look at team number 14. Oh my god, team JOWAI managed to get 1 knockout, and team number 14 also managed to get another knockout there, and team JOWAI still remaining the lone survivor. Are they gonna be able to take a clutch? And there it is, team JOWAI has been taken down. Team number 14 survive in this fight, and team number 4, team number 11, team number 12 also gonna join in the fight. The blue zone is coming in. We have GT squad have been taken down outside the player zone. That blue zone is gonna take so many players there, and we have very less squads remaining in this safe zone. Look at that, we have a very big fight happening right now. We have team number 16 still trying to survive. Team number 10 also in a fight with team number 12. Who's gonna win in a fight, team number 12 or team number 10? Oh my sab, team number 10, last 3 remaining players, they are going to be in a very big fight with team number 12, and they are still trying to go for the revive. Team number 12, look at that, they are still trying to throw that grenade. Will it connect? We have that revive coming in from team number 10. Now team number 12 being thrown away with that Molotov. They are still trying to survive here. IGI squad, 2 players still remaining. That grenade or smoke grenade. Oh, exchange of those grenades coming in, and Jonathan is being knocked out with that grenade from Bad Boy. And now team number 10 are gonna go for the push against team number 12, it seems. So we have a big fight happening on the other side as well. Team number 17 and team number 8, KHASI Royals, KR Unknown, managed to take down that player there. KHASI Royals, OP gameplay there from KHASI Royals. Let's take a look. KHASI Royals, are they gonna be able to take down the other squads? We are going to see a fight between team number 8 and team number 10, maybe. or maybe team number 16. We have team number 3 also. Some players have been knocked out. Team number 3, we have the last remaining player here from team number 3, still trying to go for the revive. And team number 14, they are gonna go for the push. It seems like he's out in the open. He still managed to get that knockout. He still managed to get that confirmation. He have to move into the safe zone. He's gonna die outside the player zone there. He managed to get that knockout again, and so many players died outside the player zone. Girls thrown, every one of them died outside the player zone. So we have TNO4 also died outside the player zone. We have only 3 players remaining there, and they are still trying to move into the safe zone. The last remaining player still surviving. He's out in the open, and he's been taken down by team number 10. SW squad with a total of 8 kills, and we have team number 16 and team number 10 now in a fight. He's gonna be able to survive in this last fight. Team number 10 or team number 16. Team number 10 right there in the front, he's being knocked out, and team number 16 still managed to survive and inside that smoke net, and it's going to be a revive coming in from team number 10, still with a total of 11 players remaining and a total of 14 squads. And there it is, another smoke net being thrown now by Saab. Now team number 16 still trying to go for the shot. Wow, a revive is happening from team number 10 and team number 16. Another player is being knocked out. So we have team number 8 on top there. KHASI Royals trying to move forward, trying to utilize those Molotov. And team number 11 there with a lone survivor still remaining. 4 squads remaining, 11 players remaining. And now team number 10 with a high advantage with KHASI Royals as well. High advantage. Team number 11 is team number 10 is SYIEM Warriors, and KHASI Royals, they are the ones who are in a very good advantage now. We have KHASI Royals trying to move in forward, trying to take down. Oh, Snake Eyes is being knocked out, and it's going to be a confirmation coming in. Snake Eyes is being knocked out, and now we are going to see another player being knocked out. Only KR Unknown still surviving now. KHASI Royals has just been taken down by team number 10. Another player from team number 10 is being knocked out by team number 16. Now we have only 3 squads remaining. So let's take a look at team number 16. Team number 11 also still surviving, and now team number 16 lone survivor, and there he is. We have a knockout coming in from team number 10. Look at this last remaining player from team number 10. Now it's going to be team number 11 against team number 10. Who's gonna win in a fight? Is it gonna be team Flanker, or is it gonna be team SYIEM Warriors? We have 1 versus 4. 5 players remaining, and there it is. He managed to get a knockout. He managed to get a knockout. Will he be able to get a clutch? Oh my god! He managed to get a clutch. Oh, 2 knockouts, but it's very hard for him because 4 players remaining from team number 10. SYIEM Warriors, 4 players remaining, and only 1 player remaining from team Flanker. But still, he's trying to fight, and he managed to get 2 knockout. Right, but sadly for him, he didn't manage to clutch against those 2 remaining players. So congratulations to SYIEM Warriors for that chicken dinner with a total of 12 kills for SYIEM Warriors, and team Flanker with 0 kills. So we have 3rd position with 3 kills. KHASI Royals with a total of 4 kills. 5th position we have 1 kill. 6th position we have 6, 7, 8 kills. 7th position we have 6 kills. 8th position 1 kill. 9th position 1 kill. 10th position 1 kill. 11th position 5 kills. 12th position 1 kill. 13th position 2 kills. 14th position 0. 15th position 3 kills. 16th position 3, 4, 5 kills. 17th position 0 kills, and last but not least 18th position 0 kills. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Stay tuned, we will be right back with the next match. It's going to be in Urangel. SYIEM squads will be playing. It's going to be 2nd match, okay, for group C. Stay tuned, we will be right back. Mala set rendang. Labun match pelat. What's going on? I'm really sorry for each and every one of you if my commentary is getting worse, because I've been streaming I've been streaming 3 matches already, and I still have to stream 1 more match, and I'm still trying. So okay, please try to understand. We'll be right back with the next match. Stay tuned.
we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sitting comfortably. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always winning, check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling a flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with